Do I need to start a new stream? Aw, damn it. Do I need to start a new stream? I think I had to start a new stream. That's unfortunate. I thought, oh wait. Yeah. Stream is finished. Alright, it's okay. Yo, 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 what's up? I love how I get new people in here. Hi, bro. Brian Lico, what's up? Benzomatic says he's first. Well, that's funny. There was a bunch of people here before. I was streaming for like an hour and whatnot. Hi, can you please check DM on Discord? My name is Penguin. Yeah, I'll have a look in a second. A Watt says yo. A Balance says yo, dose. Why are we getting new people in here? That's so funny. I'm gonna drop the link in the Discord. I've been live for some time now. Had to start the new stream. Yo, what's up, fam? What's good? Bro, ETH gonna break 3,500? Maybe. We close our ETH trade. We closed it. But whoever was in my last stream, is this better quality? Is this better live? Let me know. Whoever was in my last stream, make sure you guys smash the subscribe button. Make sure you guys let YouTube be glitching. Is YouTube glitching again? Wait, you guys can't see me? Is it not smooth? Let me see this real quick. Anyways, whoever was in my last stream, make sure you guys come back. Let me know. Hello, my man. What's up? Hey, how you doing? And make sure you guys join the Discord if you guys have not joined the Discord. I'm just checking this real quick. I want to see what's going on. I'm watching my stream right now on a delay, so just give me a few minutes, guys. All right, perfect. It's not so laggy. Come on, it's pretty smooth. All right, cool. All right, it's smooth. All right, nice. All right, so our positions right here at the moment, nothing too crazy. I mean, we're up on Bitcoin, we're up on Litecoin, we're down on PEPE, waiting for the next big move right here on PEPE. We're Bitcoin, I don't know, depending if you're counting the wicks or not. People are going to draw these lines very, very different than me. People are going to be like, oh, I think it's more like that, more like this, more like that. Like, people are going to have different ways. If you count the bodies. So this is if you count the bodies of the candle. This is a proper breakout. If you count the wicks, then I could be like, all right, we're not breaking out yet. But this really depends. Maybe on the Heiken Ashi, you could have a better understanding right here. Yeah, even the Heiken Ashi. Heiken Ashi, it looks like we have a clean breakout, by the way. On the Heiken Ashi, it looks like we have a clean breakout. Very, very ugly, though. Clean breakout above the VPVR. Also, what are these candles? The past, look at these candles right here. The past 3 candles have been fugly. They've absolutely been atrocious right here on the 12-hour time frame. On the Heiken Ashi. Like, what is this? What are these candles right here? Like, doji. Like, I had no idea where this is going. No one has no idea where Bitcoin's going. Obviously, we know who's going to take advantage of this. It's going to be market makers. They're going to absolutely destroy everyone. They're going to wreck everyone. So make sure you guys, obviously, make sure you're careful about that. If you guys want free access to all my trades, obviously, make sure you guys sign up with Discord right here. Or log into the Discord. You guys could pretty much get access to my BYD5 members channel right here. You guys could get into how to unlock free VIP channels, cap signals, swing signals. So make sure you guys yeah, weak as in the week, like a time frame, or weak as in it's like not strong. Yeah, I think you're gonna go ahead and correct yourself now, in my opinion. Nothing wrong with that, by the way. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, weak pump. Okay, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. That's what I thought you meant, at least. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, guys. Hope you guys are having a good day, good night, good evening. Bitcoin is attempting to break out right here on the 12-hour time frame. We did have a nice little green dildo right here. which is looking nice. But yeah, like I've been streaming for about an hour and a half now. I was streaming, like my other stream I was streaming like 10 minutes ago, but I had to change something in my settings to make the stream a little bit more smooth. But pretty much that's what's happening. Let's have a look right here at Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin's still ranging right here. What is good long ETH limit order now? I don't know. I'm waiting. I don't have ETH long. I closed it by accident. I'm really mad about that, but I don't have it. I currently have a long on Bitcoin, and I currently have a long on Litecoin and PEPE. That's it. I don't have a quant on anything else. If you guys haven't liked the stream, make sure you guys like the stream. If you guys have not signed up with BYDFi, you could get some pretty sick rewards, guys. Make sure you sign up with BYDFi. Link will be in the description below. You could get some pretty nice rewards right here, depending on how much you deposit. Let's say you deposit 20k, you could get a $2,000, and you don't need a trade or anything. So this is a free bonus for you guys. But yeah, Bitcoin overall has been quite boring, especially on the 30-minute time frame. I did say that we were going to consolidate right here before exploding. So let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. Maybe a few hours, I would say. Few hours, maybe 2 hours before we see a nice little move to the upside. We just opened a new 30-minute candle. We're still green right here. The band is still green, which is bullish. We had 2 retests so far on the band. Let's see if we could break above this VPVR right here. This is a daily session volume, by the way. We have 2 volume profile. We have 2 point of control. Yeah, Litecoin's going back up if you're in. Do you think I should re-enter LTC again or just wait? I would wait. I would not re-enter right here. I would not re-enter right here. 118,739 is what Bitcoin is currently trending at. Why am I on TON? I'm so confused. I was like, that's not the Bitcoin chart. Yeah, that's a Bitcoin chart. There you go. Consolidate for BTC this month is crazy. Any chance you have to take a look at WIF? I think it made a low a couple hours ago. All right, let's have a look at WIF real quick. Let me remove these indicators. 1 second. WIF. Dog with hat's looking a little bit weak right here. It's looking pretty weak. It looks like we're coming back and retesting at least this region, at least in my opinion. We did attempt to make a wick right here, but this is no trade zone in my opinion. Yeah, whiff right here is no trade zone. I don't think I would trade here. I think we come back and retest. Now, of course, if Bitcoin starts to explode, we're most likely gonna have a we're most likely gonna explode right here. Bro, the problem is with Discord is that this is not gonna be private because I'll answer you in a second, like maybe after the stream. But I saw what you said. I just I don't want everyone to see it. I don't want anyone to see it, but I will answer you in a moment. Our launch coin movement also depends on BTC movement. Yeah, everything. Yeah, but dog with hat. I mean, even if the stochastic RSI are looking oversold right here, even on a bigger time frame, I still think we have. I think it could come back down to 113 at least. 114, 1.14. Yeah. Let's have a look at PEPE real quick. PEPE is still ranging. We have this nice little area right here for PEPE. Looking pretty good. We had a crazy attempt breakout right here. Crazy attempt breakout. But it looks like stocks could potentially be gaining some momentum very soon. We could be flipping bullish very soon. Depending what Bitcoin does. On the 1 hour, yeah. Hopefully we see a breakout though very soon. Litecoin's making moves. Oh yeah, Litecoin is making moves. Slightly, not so crazy, but slightly. But yeah, Litecoin is indeed making moves. It looks like Litecoin broke this downtrend. Let's have a look at Litecoin real quick. LTC. Yeah, Bitcoin's pumping right now, but I don't want to say pumping, but we are going up on Bitcoin. We are going up on Bitcoin. We are meeting this resistance though very, very soon. So we're gonna have to see. You could even bring it closer if you're counting the bodies. If you count the bodies on Bitcoin, it's something like that. Yeah, it's something like that on Bitcoin. So maybe we get a rejection right here. Hopefully we get a breakout. If we get a breakout, I mean, you could expect altcoins to pump as well. Ethereum's gonna pump. Wow, Ethereum had a pump and dump right here. So we're gonna have to see, but Bitcoin overall right now is looking a little bit, it's just gonna consolidate. Let's have a look at the session real quick. We do have so this is a daily session right here, the point of control, the daily point of control. Currently sitting at $119,000 exactly. So we do have a lot of sell momentum right there. We are still above right here, the moving average, which is fine. The volume is declining and we are seeing an increase of price. That's not so good. Yeah, let's see what happens here. But yeah, I would like for Bitcoin to blow, like explode past the daily POC. This would be the first time, by the way, wow, that would be the first time since July 18 that Bitcoin would potentially close above and away from the point of control. So this 12-hour candle, we close at the point of control. This 12-hour candle, we close at the point of control. This one too, this one too, this one too, this one a little bit above it, this one a little bit below it. Yeah, a little bit below it. This one and a lot of it above it. Yeah, so this could potentially be the first time that we have a candle like this on above the POC, which is pretty bullish. We had multiple candles right here trending at the POC. Yeah, this is an important level right here. If Bitcoin breaks out, what is the target? I actually have a few target and I'm gonna explain to you guys why. All right, so I'm gonna explain to you guys why. This is Bitcoin right here. Let's pull the 3-day. Okay, 3-day, you're definitely gonna get more data. If we have a look right here on my Discord on the signals, I believe swing signal, I gave 3 targets: TP1 123,000, TP2 128, 136. And there's a reason for this actually. If I take the Fibonacci extension and I bring this back right here to the lows, to the highs. So we took a high right here. We took from the lows to the highs, and then the correction of the low of the correction right here. 123,000 would approximately be right here. That would be $123,000. It would pretty much be the peak of the all-time high. And then 136, I believe I put 136,000. Yeah, 136,000 would be right here. It would be the one Fibonacci level. That would be $136,000. And I think we're gonna hit maybe 128, a little bit below that. But if this is indeed an Elliott wave, we're most likely gonna go in this wave to at least between 159 to 135. $135,000 Bitcoin if this is a fib retracement extension, and this is the third wave. So this has to be the third wave right here, and this wave cannot retrace back to this area right here, otherwise that would be canceled and it wouldn't be an Elliott wave pattern. I do want to have a look at the 30 minutes. It looks like we're having a nice little breakout on the 30-minute time frame right here. 12-hour just flipped green, guys. Congratulations. The 12-hour just peaked green. The big question though is, are we gonna stay green? Are we gonna stay green? That's the big question. Let me just put, let me do this real quick. 1 second. Let's see. I'm gonna pin you guys a Discord for those of you guys who want to know regarding the Discord. Make sure you guys join the Discord. Bitcoin's currently breaking out. I do want to have a look at okay, if this is a real breakout, guys, we could see Bitcoin absolutely smash $120,000 if this is a breakout. Get ready. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? If this is a breakout, we could potentially see Bitcoin moon right here. We could see Bitcoin moon if this is a breakout. Let's do the pull again. Bam! Let's go, baby. Let's see. We need to see Bitcoin continue pumping. If you guys have not liked this video, make sure you guys like it. If you guys have not smashed the subscribe button, make sure you guys smash the subscribe button. We are 8 subscribers away from 21,100 subscribers. Thank you guys, everyone, for tuning in. Obviously, Bitcoin right now is looking pretty good, although I have to say we do have a good solid 20 minutes for Bitcoin to essentially close above the triangle. We are above the daily session volume profile, which is of course very important right here. But like I said, if we close above the daily session on the 30-minute time frame, that would be pretty bullish. And we need to see some volume too. So let's have a look at the volume real quick. We still have 20 minutes though, so we should not get too excited yet. The volume is still looking very low. Hopefully we could have a nice little green dildo in the coming minutes, but this is what's happening right now at the moment. Yeah, we still hopefully we could pump right here, fam. Hopefully we could pump. Hopefully we could pump. Hopefully we could stay above the daily session too. And then PEPE on the 12-hour. Here's the thing, the price action on PEPE hasn't been nice. As a new member, I'm actually curious, what's the reason? Because I'm bored, I have nothing to do in my life, and I need friends? No, I'm kidding. Well, that's it. There's little truth in that, but no, I'm kidding. But I just like to stream. I enjoy crypto. I think a lot of people get wrecked. I think a lot of people get wrecked trading, and I like to teach people. The reason why I started a YouTube channel actually was because a lot of my friends were coming to me originally. A lot of my friends were coming to me originally, and they were like, yo, Dose, or not yo, Dose, yo, what's happening? Like, yo, you need to give us an update on crypto. Like, you're good at trading. Why don't you like give us an update? What's happening? And every one of my friend would tell me, like, they would just message me, update. So I'm like, you know what, guys? I'm starting a YouTube channel. Go there. I'm gonna update you guys, and just don't ask me anymore, okay? Because I was getting flooded with messages every day. So, I mean, that's the reason why I started YouTube originally, and then I don't know. I met a bunch of people, a bunch of great people through crypto, through my streams, through my, I don't know, through my videos, and yeah, I like to teach. Why not? I barely make anything. Like, yeah, I don't charge anyone. I know a lot of influencers will charge like $5,000 for signals a year, or I don't know. What else? Yeah, I mean, the people will just charge like a shit ton of money, but yeah, I don't want people in crypto to get wrecked, man. That's it. I just don't truly want people to get wrecked. A lot of people are getting wrecked. I want to teach. Why not teach? You know, I like teaching. I've always liked to teach. I've always liked to teach. My girlfriend's a teacher. That's why we get along, maybe. My girlfriend's a teacher in like 4th grade, I think, 3rd grade. So maybe it's in our blood. That's why we get along so well, because we like to teach. And believe it or not, I have a few friends watching this live too, like friends I've known for like 10 to 12 years. I have a few friends watching this live. So even if there was like 2 people, even if there were 2 people watching it, I would still be streaming. I'm your friend. Don't worry, pen pal. Maybe I need to come to Amsterdam. We'll grab a beer. Been wrecked 1,000 times. We all have. I've been wrecked 1,000 times too. Bitcoin's trying to break out right here. Nice little consolidation triangle right here on PEPE on the 1 hour. Still trying to break out of this range. We are right below the VPVR point of control right here. So let's see what happens. Okay, so 80% says breakout, 20% says fake out. That's interesting. Let's see if we get the pump right here. Thanks, truly grateful. The space full of people who say they know everything but nothing. So grateful for your time and honesty. Of course, of course, of course. Thank you for your nice comment, brother. Appreciate it. I do appreciate it. But a lot of people ask me like, yo, why don't you do Patreon? Like, why don't you do this? Why don't you do that? And I'm just not trying to take money from you guys. You should come to Belgium too and come drink a beer with me and Chris. Oh yeah, you guys don't dose. Use the pump song. We're not pumping yet though. I want to see a closure above the point of control. I want to see a closure above the daily session point of control first. And look, I get to hang out with you guys. I look forward to these streams and talking with you guys. I'm bored all day. Like, I'm looking at the charts, but I'm doing it alone. Now we get to all do it together. And honestly, this is why I build this community. I want to, like, I'm so happy, guys. You guys don't understand how happy this makes me. Like, it's not me that I'm building. We're building a massive crypto community. And guys, this is just the beginning. Like a few days ago, we were sitting at like, what, 1,000 members, 800 members. Now we're sitting at 1,321. I don't know. That's pretty crazy. That's pretty crazy. I think more people need to be educated on crypto. I'm definitely gonna do like I did some tutorials right here on like leverage, how to trade, how to deposit, how to hedge yourself, etc. I'm gonna do more tutorials on that, but I think these things are important. But not in Antwerp. It's funny. I've been in Amsterdam twice. I was in Brussels, not Antwerp. Yeah, I was in Brussels, I think I was in Brussels. Yeah, when I was driving to Amsterdam, I did a quick round trip with my, like, road trip with my girlfriend. We were supposed to return the car, fly to Amsterdam from Paris, and then I was like, I don't want to fly. Flying is boring. I want to drive. And we literally like ditched our flight and drove straight from Paris to Amsterdam. Canceled our flight ticket. We're like, fuck this. I want to be spontaneous. I want to do a road trip. Like, why not? Flying is overrated. And then we just did it. So we went through like Belgium, Amsterdam for like 3 days. And then we went back to Paris. We all need to do well. Then rent a private island in the Philippines and have a party. That's pretty funny. Nobody in my life cares or wants to hear about crypto, though. That's why I hang out here. That's funny. A lot of people in my group. And we do have a good road compared to... Yeah, of course. Yeah, I went to the coffee shops. I went to a bunch of coffee shops. Although I'm not a big I don't smoke. I'll smoke cigars. I don't smoke. I'm not gonna smoke weed. After like 3 hits, I was like high AF. It was so funny. I was high as fuck. It was the funniest shit. I'm not a big weed guy though. Space Shuttle Blue, I'm sure you're smoking and rolling right now. Matter of fact, I'm eating dinner, but who knows this weekend? That's funny. That's actually funny. All my friends are into crypto. My family's into crypto. Everyone's into crypto. We still have 11 minutes right here until we can potentially break. Yeah, we got 11 minutes until we could potentially break above the daily POC. I would really like to see a break above, like a closure above the daily POC, and a strong closure, not a weak one. My parents don't even know what it is, I think. That's funny. Crypto's a strange space. Crypto's a jungle. Crypto's a zoo. It's a freaking zoo, man. Crypto's crazy. That's what it is. It's insane. PEPE is just still ranging right here. Massive wicks to the downside. Nothing crazy. Hopefully we could break out of here very, very soon. Yeah, hopefully we could break out of here. And regarding Bitcoin, I would like to see it. I would love to see the POC break above right here. I mean, Bitcoin break above the daily point of control. It's not so big, but you guys can clearly see there's some sort of resistance. Some sort of resistance right here. So I would love to see that break above it. The king of Bitcoin says, yo, love the channel. Yeah, Bitcoin's still below the POC right here. A little bit boring. All right. We got officially 9 minutes left until the hour closes. We got 9 minutes until the 30-minute closes, which could confirm a breakout. So far, we don't have so much volume, but anything could happen even in 3 minutes. So let's see what happens here. PEPE is breaking down. It looks like we're still ranging. PEPE is also below. I would say this is the. I mean, this would be a POC from the last day for the last 48 hours. This is a 48-hour point of control right here. I think the session should be around the same though. Let's have a look at the session real quick. Session volume profile. Yeah, the session volume profile is sitting at the exact same area right here. LCT coin or LTC coin trying to do something. We're gonna have a look at Litecoin, but yeah, PEPE right here on the 1 hour. It looks like we are below the daily session point of control and the last 48 hours, I would say. All right, in 8 minutes, we're gonna keep this tab open. Let's have a look right here. Let's have a look at Litecoin. LTC up 2.34%. Oh, it looks like Litecoin broke below. It looks like we broke this area right here on Litecoin. I don't remember when I drew these lines, but it looks like we broke above not only the POC on the 1 hour, but we broke above the falling wedge, which is pretty good. So this was the falling wedge we had on Litecoin. Oh my God, our trade must be pumping right now. Yeah, 155%. 155% on our trade. I think BTC is ready to go. I feel it. You feel it. I feel it. Let's go. 119. I think if we break above this level, we're going straight 120,000. I feel it. Take a look at Trash Coin. Why would I take a look at Trash Coin? I really want a valid reason on why I will take a look at Trash Coin. Let's have a look at the Bitcoin dominance real quick. Bitcoin dominance is making a nice little pump to the upside, but nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. Let's go back to PEPE right here on the 1 hour time frame. Let me see right here. BPVR, volume visible range profile. Can you take a look at Dogecoin? We got too many trades already. We don't have that many trades. Dino TV, let's say it's better not to be in Belgium, so let's go back to crypto so we can leave for a longer period of time than annual holiday. I feel nothing. I'm immune to Degen Hopium. I'm never ever emotional in this market. That's so funny. I would like, wow, this is the most boringest. This is gonna be an annoying 5 minutes. I feel it. I feel like the last 2 minutes we're gonna get rejected. Trash coin is a meme coin. I got in a 100K market cap and it pumped to $5 million market cap. Well, maybe you should share that in the group next time. That would be awesome. There's a meme chat on the Discord. If you go to the Discord right here, you navigate right here to your left. You're gonna see right here there's a meme chat. Make sure you drop that alpha in the meme chat. Do you think we'll have a proper altcoin season this year? Probably depend on the Bitcoin dominance. The Bitcoin dominance is probably everything right here. If we have a look right here at Bitcoin dominance and we actually take out the EMA ribbons on the Bitcoin dominance, we actually got rejected. We actually got rejected. But the good thing is that the week right here is the week. We're nearing the middle of the week right here, so that's a good thing that we're getting rejected at the beginning, because it's very possible towards the end of the week we're gonna essentially come back and close below it. So the fact that we got rejected like that is pretty good. But if we end the week like that or even higher, that would be bad. That would be not an altcoin season. That would just be an altcoin rally, pretty much like what we had right here. And then this would be an altcoin rally too. But we'll see. Everything depends. This is probably your main indicator for your altcoin season indicator. It's the Bitcoin dominance, nothing else. That's my opinion, nothing else. Nothing else matters right now, in my opinion, unless it's that. Let me remove these EMAs real quick. What is the referral code in BYDFi? Check the link that Space Shuttle Blue sent. Thank you for that, bro. Feels like we are due an altcoin season. Yeah, I mean, if you have a look right here at the altcoin season chart on the yearly, so there's a few things right here that you want to have a look at, right? You have altcoin season right here. This is the altcoin season right here, right? This is the altcoin season on the season, not on the 3 month, not in the yearly. On the yearly time frame is what really I want to see the altcoin season happening. I want to see this explode. We have not seen this explode since 2021. This is the real altcoin season. Right here, whatever we had on the season, that's a rally in my opinion. That's a rally. I don't care about the rally. We had a rally right here. I don't know. I don't really care about rallies. I care about pumps. Pumps and pumps and pumps. On the yearly, on the bigger picture, this is what I think could send. Dose, can you take a look at deep to short to midterm? Me and Chris hold this one. Yeah, 1 second. Deep is on Sui, right? If I remember correctly. Here's the thing on deep. Like a lot of tokens out there, we are below the POC, but as long as this support holds, and assuming on the 4 hour we make a right leg, this would be a W pattern followed by a neckline, and we could see a nice breakout right here. Assuming if we go back here, I think this would be bullish. If we, yeah, I wouldn't buy here, but I would probably buy the breakout just for confirmation. But if you buy here, you could definitely set a stop loss, let's say at this wick 1868. That would be a W pattern, double bottom type of action, breakout. I think it's fine, especially if Sui explodes. I think if Sui explodes, yeah, I think if Sui explodes, this is gonna explode too. I think you want to use Sui as your main example, because Sui, yeah, you see, it's kind of, I'm not saying it is doing that, but it's kind of like ranging, kind of how deep is ranging. You guys can see it's like raining like that. Not a W pattern, definitely not, but yeah, if Sui breaks this level right here, POC, close above POC, and maybe this trend line, I think it's gonna go up. But it's Bitcoin. Bitcoin's the king right now. We need to see what Bitcoin's gonna do. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Yeah, 2 more minutes. Let's have a look at PEPE because this is our 2 main trades right now. PEPE, Litecoin is doing good. PEPE is in negative, I believe. No, we're in positive actually. Let's see what happens with the next 2 minutes. It looks like it's looking pretty good right here. Maybe we'll have the breakout and not the fake out. Stocks are looking good, but the volume is slightly weak. Slightly weak on the volume is a little bit weak. But we're looking good. We're looking good. We're not looking bad. All right. I just don't want to jinx it. I'm scared. Pump it up, pump it up, pump it, pump it, pump it up. Pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it. The Bitcoin dominance is going back up. All right, 11 seconds. Let's see. The volume is weak though. All right, we're above 119,000 right here, which is pretty important in my opinion psychologically. We're not so far away from 120,000. We're only 800 bucks away from $120,000. All right, guys, 5-second time frame. Let's see what happens. Ultimate degen trading. Ultimate degen. The harder the volume, the more it pumps. That's so funny. Should we pump it up more? Oh my god, bro. How can you say that? I'm kidding. This is the 5-second time frame. It looks like we're dumping down. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, the 1 hour close, I know. This is the 30 minutes right here. The 5-second candle also closed. Let's have a look at volume right here. Got me dancing in my seat. Where are you that you're calling something a seat? Amateur, he should be using the 1-second time frame. All right, we'll use a 1-second time frame. Hopefully that's that's funny. That's actually funny. It's just I'm gonna have to move the screen a lot, shift it a lot, but I guess that doesn't matter. Let's see what happens. Oh my god, guys, we're getting so close to $120,000. That's actually funny. See, it's pumping. That's so funny. That's it. Liquidated. I got liquidated. I'm cooked. I'm cooked, guys. I got liquidated. Is LTC pumping? Oh my god. Litecoin and Solana's pumping.
There was a time I used to look into my father's eyes. In a happy home, I was a king, I had a golden throne. Those days are gone. Now the memories on the wall.
Oh my god, it's a crash. Yeah, that looks so funny. Look at that. That's a 0.1% dump and it looks so crazy. All right, I'm shorting. I'm longing. All right, I'm shorting. It's going down. I'm shorting. Who used to trade like this? My first time ever trading like 6 years ago, I was like all right, I'm longing. $119,000, 300,000. I just sold my entire profile. All right, that's it. I'm out. Bro, it's going parabolic. Bro, this shit is so funny. Oh my god, guys, we're in a ascending triangle right now. Ascending triangle, real quick, 1 second time frame. Take this trade. It's gonna work, I'm telling you. It's gonna work. Ascending triangle, 1 minute, 1 second time frame. We're coming back down, retesting. We're gonna get the pump right here. Yes, we got it. Retesting now the breakout. We're retesting the breakout. All right, shaking the longs right here real quick. All right, retesting. All right, there it is. We got it. No way it's working. No way this is working. No way this is working. No way this is fucking working. What the fuck? There's no way this fucking worked. What? Get the fuck out of here, man. All right, retesting for the second time. Came back. This shit is so funny. 1 second time frame. That's so funny. What? 1 minute longs, bro. This is a 1 second. Yo, this song is pretty lit for this. Oh my god, we got the breakout. Oh my god. Sorry, I can't give you a song. I'm scared of copyright.
Thank you so much for coming down and making this the best show of our life. Thank you.
Guys, I hope we could crack 120,000 today. I hope we could crack. Oh my god. 119,406. Wow, look at this. On the 30 minutes, it looks nice too. Let's see what happens here. From now on, those is going to watch second, never boring. Holy shit! All right, I'm going live for 24 hours watching the 1 second time frame. Who's in? Second trading, no. Day trading, yes. I just did $1 100x on that's crazy. We're breaking out. Let's go. Bro is doing second trading live. Yeah, bro. That's the whole fun of it, bro. We were watching the 30 minutes for 4 hours. How long can he be watching the 30 minutes for? You know what the crazy thing is, guys? Do you know what the crazy thing is? Like, you guys might think I'm crazy, but on the 1 second time frame, we got the red diamond right here. We could have shorted And then as soon as we get the green diamond, we long. We could have longed the 100x. Like, look how crazy. Like, this is not crazy gains, obviously, but this worked. 0.7%. If you're playing 100x leverage, that's 17% gain. That's pretty fantastic. Let's see if we get the green diamond right here, or the red diamond. Let's see what happens if we get the red diamond. No red diamond. No red diamond. No red diamond. Yeah, bro. We open a trade right here on the 1 second. Samin Kijin. We open a trade right here on the 1 second time frame right here. And now we're exploding. We're absolutely mooning now. Oh, we got the red diamond on the 1 second. That's not good. Let's see what happens here. Maybe another green fake out. Let's go. Wow, that's a nice candle, actually. You guys might think it's bullshit, but this candle is super bullish. I know it's the 1 second time frame, but I don't know. I mean, how much volume was added right here in this 1 second? Let me see. Wow, 15 bitcoins in 1 second. Someone ate 15 bitcoins in 1 second. That's pretty lit. That's pretty good. Oh shit, we're crashing. That's it. Liquidated. Liquidated. Look at that. We got a short signal right here. Bang! Long a little bit. Of course, you're gonna have these fake signals right here. But look, if you took the short, oh my god, oh my god. This red diamond's not doing us any good. The red diamond is the death of us. It's not doing us any good. Oh no. Oh no, the red diamond is no bueno. Oh no. The devil is back. Wow, this was exit liquidity right here. Exit liquidity candle. Holy shit. Oh my god, we just flipped red. Are you kidding me? Look at that. All this hard work. All this hard work destroyed. This is sad. This is sad. Oh, my soundboard is not working. Say what? Can you guys hear this? I don't know if you guys could hear this. Wow. Look at this shit, man. We got the sell signal right here. Bang! All right, we got a green diamond right here. Let's see what happens. Green diamond right here. Let's see if this can live up to the signal. Let's see. Let's see if this is just a fake out. This indicator, it's called Trend Focus EMA. Trend Focus EMA. It is paid. My buddy holds trades for 12 seconds. I want to tell him this indicator. It's called the Trend Focus EMA. Trend Focus EMA. Look at that. Green diamond still up. Still slowly growing. Still growing. Bro, I told you what it's called. What do you mean? Look at that, still growing. Damn, look at that. It worked. It freaking worked. It worked. Oh, on the 1 second time frame. Oh my god, guys. We literally should just be taking scalps on this freaking live every time. Look at that. Look at this. We got the long right here. We had the long right here, exploded. Okay, we had a red candle and a green candle fake out. And then bang, we got the red one, bang, green diamond, bang to the upside. Oh my lord. V recovery shape. Absolutely sending it. Yeah, you have to buy it. I get it. I don't know. Some guy made me the owner of yeah, I forgot to tell you guys this. The owner of the algorithm, like whatever, I have connections with him and he's like, yo, make a video of our indicator and like whatever. I think it's like $5,000 or $10,000. I don't even use it. There's a bunch of other indicators. It's if you go right here, go on mdxalgo.com, you'll see it. MDX legacy right here. You have a lot of these indicators right here. Oh my god, we got a red diamond. Let's see what happens here. We got a red diamond. Let's see. Hopefully for our sakes of our longs, it's a fake out. Oh no, please, please don't work. Don't work for shorts. Don't work for shorts. Doze, check PNL page on Discord talking of Degen second trading. Dude, that's funny. What happened here? Oh, that's not PNL. This is PNL. Oh my god. Seeing a Doze is being a total Degen on YouTube channel, so I turn my post one. Bro, are you crazy? OM 50x. Holy shit. That's funny. That's funny. That is funny. Oh my god. Look at this. It's working so well. Look at that. Red dump, green pump. Let's see what happens here. Oh my god. I'm going to be the first crypto YouTuber to trade on the 1 second time frame with this indicator. That means absolutely nothing. Oh my god. We got the red death of diamond right here. Resistance. Look at that. This is a resistance on the 1 second time frame. Can you guys, like, I didn't even know like a resistance existed on the 1 second time frame. Look at that. We're just sitting right below it. It's just an EMA with colors. Yeah, literally. Nice pump. Green diamond right here coming up soon. No confirmation. Bears are still in control in the 1 second time frame. Oh, there you go. Green diamond right here. Consolidating. Oh, you know what? Oh, guys, look at this pattern right here. Real quick before it pumps. Something like that. Is Bitcoin an ascending triangle right here on the 1 minute time frame, 1 second time frame? Oh my god, it's working again. I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this. We're going to the moon. Oh, it's $100 a month now? Oh, they hella reduced it. It used to be like, oh no, I think for a lifetime it's 5 or 10,000, and then a year is 1,300, something like that. They never really had the monthly thing. Now they have a monthly subscription. Coming back, retesting. Ah, green diamond. We're gonna get a green diamond, aren't we? Ah, we got it. We got it. Look at that. Bang. Exploded. Bang. Ooh. What a... look at that. So we have the pump right here, and then we get a massive fake out. Fake out. Bam. That is crazy. By the way, if you guys want to join the Discord, the link will be in the description below. You can get access to actual real free signals, not this shit. Not really this 1 second stuff. What else do I use with that? I use liquidation bands. Here, let me open a new thing. So let's say with MDX algo right here, I'll use the MDX liquidation right here. Sometimes I'll use the capital flow index as well. It takes time to load. This is the capital index right here. Where is it? Let me see. Capital flow index will tell you where most of the money is pretty much flowing into. Large caps, shitcoins, altcoins, stable coins. And then you have the liquidations right here. It tells you the liquidation levels on the exchange or whatnot. So there's a bunch of other, it's a cool tool, but it's not something that makes or break my trading, in my opinion. My best strategy is to not be emotional. The second you are emotional and you put your emotion into crypto, you're gonna get really confused, in my opinion, because you're gonna close the trade and you're gonna be like, oh, okay, I closed it, I lost $300, maybe I should go short, or I won $300, or I closed at a loss longing $300, I should go short, or I closed at a short at $300, so I should go long. And then I don't know, your emotions just get like, in my opinion, the less emotions you have, the better you'll be at trading. But then you're asking for someone that's not really human. Yeah, this is the 1 second. Pretty intense in my opinion. Crypto's barely moving, but the 1 second is really crazy on the backhand. Really, really crazy. Bitcoin's sitting right now pretty good though. 119,258. I want to trade 10k to 100k tonight, boss. Let's go. Need food. What do you mean you want to trade 10k to? Oh, do you have? You know, I started a 10k to 100k challenge. By the way, if you guys want access to all my trades, guys, make sure you guys join BYDFi. You could get access right here to my real trades, like my legit trades, swing signals, scalp signals, market analysis, VIP, nice VIP chat. Pretty good traders on here. So make sure you guys sign up right here with BYDFi link, and make sure you guys join the Discord. The link's in the description below. He probably stoned and hungry. We need to see 1 second chart when Bitcoin is flying. Oh my god, that would be so insane. Man, with all due to respect, why even look at the 1 second time frame? Bro, this is probably my first time ever I look at the 1 second time frame, but because it's fun, why not? There's more to talk about. You guys could see I'm talking more and it's more entertaining. Like, obviously these are the real charts, like the real analysis is here, the real analysis is here, but this is just for fun. I don't know, it's just for fun. It's fun to see how the moving averages are moving and how the charts are moving and volume, etc. Bitcoin sitting at 119,409. I want to see real value actually. When I started trading, I was trading on the 1 minute. Wow, and trading Bitcoin on the 1 minute in 2017, it's like trading on a millisecond. It's even worse than this. We got a red diamond again. I'm gonna get copyrighted and shit, and they're gonna kick me out of my stream. They're gonna rug the space. LTC boys, it's cooking. Let's see. LTC 119. Let's go. 168% on Litecoin. Bitcoin, we're absolutely cooking too. 13%. If you guys took that trade, you're absolutely cooking as well. It's actually funny because the 1 second chart makes me want to stay on this live longer. That's actually really funny. That's pretty funny. Yeah, probably not. Called addiction dose. Oh, that's funny. Maybe I am. Maybe I am. The Bitcoin dominance, though, I have to say, is going up. The Bitcoin dominance is going up. A lot of strength in the Bitcoin dominance right now. A lot. Bitcoin sitting at 119,400 exactly. A little bit boring right now. On Coinbase, the price is sitting at 119,473. That's the Coinbase price. What we're seeing close to 119,500. The Binance price is currently, there's a $100 difference at the moment between Binance and Coinbase. So if you guys want to do arbitrage with $119,000 to get $100, that's pretty good, but also shit. Yeah, it's having a hard time cracking 500. We need to crack 500. 119,500. Have a look what chat's saying. Why the trading volume so low? Because it's the 1 second. We're talking about 1 second. Ah, Pepe is about to break out. I feel a big green dildo happening on Pepe within the next 30 minutes. I feel it. I freaking feel it. What time is it? Should I whip out a cigar? Oh, baby. That's how much? How big of a buy is this? Oh, that's not that much. Only 3.92 pump and dump. How big of a sell was this? 8 Bitcoin sell. So Bitcoin peaked at 119,585. Did Powell resign? There's no way. What? Wait, what? No way. There's no way. Oh my God, are we getting interest cut end of the month? Wait a second. What? This is fake, right? No, it's fake, guys. It's fake. It's fake. It's fake. What? He didn't resign. Come on, guys. There's no confirmation. He didn't resign. He didn't resign. Watch it dump like crazy now. Now it's gonna dump. Good job, whoever made this. Good job. Good job. Why is everyone reposting this? Whatever, pump it still. Pump it. Who gives a shit? Just pump it. All right, back to the 1 second time frame, I guess. Back to the 1 second time frame. I don't think Jerome Powell resigned. Nothing happened. Back to the 1 second time frame. Back to my drug.
Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet? I guess so. So you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me espresso.
Guys, if you sign up with BYD, whoever didn't yet, you could get up to a $2,000 bonus depending on how much you deposit, and there's no KYC. Make sure you guys click on the link in the chat to sign up and you get access to all my trades. What helped my trading was this quote: when in doubt, zoom out. That's so funny. When in doubt, zoom out. We're going up. We're in doubt right now, going down, but we're going up. I don't think I could add people as a friend. Let me see. Maybe I could. Okay, I did. What's up? Damn. As long as we're ranging in this channel, I think we're good. Banning people on my Discord because people think they could act like me or pretend to be me. What is this? Let me see. Sorry guys, let me go back to the chat real quick. Hey, well, just wondering, remember Kadena, what are your thoughts on KDA? Of course I remember KDA and I'm still holding KDA. Change my name to YT username. What do you mean? YouTube username? XRP trying to get a pump going. I did long LTC and XRP. Hey, just wondering those. Yeah, I do remember KDA. Yeah, I do. Of course I do remember KDA. I did a video, I think last week on KDA. All right, Bitcoin dominance is coming down. Let's see if we could hold this area right here. It looks like that on the 1 second time frame, Bitcoin has just been consolidating in this region right here. And we just bounced again. I think the 1 second time frame is more accurate than any time frame. I have never been this accurate in my trading ever. I'm pretty sure market makers trade on the 1 second time frame. What is this? Because imagine if we break below this area right here and then we go down, or if we break this resistance, we go up. That means the 1 second time frame works. That's what it means. It means that it works. Let's see what happens here. Oh my god, we got rejected again. The 1 second time frame is crazy accurate. Like, what is this? Why is the 1 second time frame so much more accurate? Let me take this away for a second. No, not this. Who would have thought that the 1 second time frame is this accurate? Who would have thought? I want to know. Are we gonna get the breakout? Oh my god, is this gonna be a fake out? Yeah, and we got rejected again. And we got rejected again. This is ridiculous. Look, it's if you have a bot that if you literally had a bot that could be like, you take a picture, you send it and be like, all right, buy, sell at all these targets, you'd make so much money. These market makers are insane. They're insane. They're insane. Look at that 1 second time frame. from the top to the bottom, 0.21%, with a average move of what, 0.1%? Is 0.1%? You probably, with 100x leverage, you probably would have made 100% right here. Buying and selling all these moves. That's insane. Oh my god, breakout, breakout. Oh my god, breakout. Yeah, I know fees would, yeah, I know fees would eat your profit. I know, I'm kidding. I know, I'm just kidding. Oh my god, and we have a trend line on top of that. Look at that. Bounce on the trend line? What? This makes no sense. And a breakout? That means technically if we come down below, we're going to come back down and retest the bottom of this channel right here. Yeah. Okay, so we broke down. This is insane. I'm actually mind blown how accurate the 1 second time frame is. This is actually mind blowing. I don't think you guys understand how mind blowing this is. This is 1 second freaking time frame right here. Listen, the good news is that the 1 second, because we are in a descending channel, that's bullish. Pengu, how much is Pengu? Oh my god, 16%. That's crazy. Another rejection right here. Another one. Oh, we got the breakdown. Oh no. Fake out? No way, we got the fake out. Another liquidity sweep, of course. We got the fake out. This is crazy. This is insane. This is crazy. I don't even know what to say. Fast way to learn. Yeah, I mean, I guess you could implement these in the on the daily and 4-hour time frame, I guess. All right, guys, so we're just waiting for a breakout to take our trade right here. I would like to see a solid breakout, either below or above, to take our trade, maybe a long or short. That's what we're doing right now. So far, Bitcoin has been bouncing up and down for 30 hours now, and we're just waiting for the proper breakout. So if we break out to the upside, I would say bigger than this level right here, I would long. If we break out to the downside, something like that, I would short. Yeah, there's not enough right here. Yeah, it has to be more than this. If it wasn't more than that, it has to be more than this right here. Something like that. Yeah, it has to be like that. Yeah, that's the height of it. If we break out with this range height, we're gonna go down. If we break out with that range height, we're gonna go up. Guys, I think I'm I think I'm gonna take a nap. I'm gonna go take a nap. Or just tuning in, I would believe you. That's so funny. Yeah, I agree. Bitcoin's pretty boring. All right, guys, I'm gonna go. I'll catch you guys later.
this time.